Hey everyone, Jason here from Simply Swider. Your appliances are working hard 24/7 to keep your home running smoothly. But here's what most people don't realize. Simple daily habits are cutting your appliance's lifespan in half. I'm talking about mistakes that cost you $500 to $2,000 in unnecessary repairs and early replacements. Before we get started, if you run into any questions, jump into our Facebook group, links in the description. We've got thousands of people helping each other fix their appliances, and I pop in there daily to help out. Today I'm going to show you some hidden tricks that go way beyond the basic stuff everyone talks about. These are the tips that'll help your appliances last 10, 15, even 20 years if you do them right. Alright, so everyone knows to wipe down their appliances, but that's just scratching the surface. The real magic happens when you clean the stuff you can't see. First up, refrigerator coils. These are hidden on the back or bottom of your fridge and they're critical for cooling. Here's the problem. When dust builds up, your fridge works twice as hard and uses way more electricity. Just last month, I cleaned coils that hadn't been touched in 5 years. The result? The homeowner's energy bill dropped immediately. You'll need a vacuum and a coil brush for this job. You want to do this every 6 months. More if you've got pets that shed. Now let's talk ovens and stovetops. Sure, you're wiping up spills when they happen, but you gotta get that grease buildup too. For gas ranges, make sure those burner ports aren't clogged up. For electric, that grease isn't just gross, it's a fire hazard. And here's something that'll surprise you. Don't go crazy with the self-clean cycle. Running it too often actually stresses the internal components with all that extreme heat. Your dishwasher and washing machine need cleaning too, which sounds backwards, right? For the dishwasher, pull out that filter once a month and scrub all the food debris and buildup. Run a cleaning cycle with some vinegar to get rid of mineral deposits. For your washer, run an empty hot cycle with vinegar every 40 loads or so. And don't forget to pull out that detergent drawer and give it a good scrub. And everybody knows about cleaning the dryer lint trap. But here's what they don't tell you. You gotta check that external vent at least once a year. A clogged dryer vent isn't just inefficient, it's a serious fire risk. Here's mistake number 1, overloading your machines. When you cram too much into your washer or dryer, you're destroying the motor, belts, and moving parts. How bad can it get? I've seen customers replace drive belts every 6 months. That's a $150 repair that should happen every 5 years. The fix is simple. Fill your washer only 2/3 full and your dryer should have room for clothes to tumble freely. Stick to the recommended load sizes. Your machine will thank you for it. Same deal with your dishwasher. When you pack dishes in there like you're playing Tetris, the water can't circulate properly, dishes don't get clean, and you risk breaking the spray arms. Your fridge is similar. Yeah, a full fridge can be more efficient, but don't block those air vents or overload the shelves. The compressor will work overtime trying to keep up. Now here's something else. Use the right settings for what you're actually washing. You don't need hot water and heavy-duty cycles for everything. That's just wearing out your clothes and your machine faster. Same with the dishwasher. Don't blast lightly soiled dishes with the heavy-duty setting. And whatever you do, don't go crazy with the detergent. Too much soap creates buildup that can actually harm your pumps and motors. Use the right amount for your load size and water hardness. Here's a simple money saver most people ignore. Unplug small appliances when not in use. Your coffee maker, toaster, microwave, and air fryer are still drawing power when off, called phantom power. This costs you $30 to $70 per year. More importantly, it's a safety issue. Toasters especially can be fire hazards, and some have even been recalled for turning on by themselves. Appliances with heating elements, especially toasters, can be fire hazards if left plugged in. Some toasters have even been recalled because they were turning themselves on. Now for your big appliances, here's a critical mistake I see all the time. People plugging refrigerators and microwaves into power strips. Don't do it. These high-power machines need to be plugged directly into the wall. They draw too much power for power strips and can cause circuit problems, damage your compressor, and create fire risks. Hair dryers, space heaters, anything that generates heat or uses more than 1,000 watts, straight to the wall outlet. For sensitive electronics like gaming systems or high-end audio equipment, get a quality surge protector, not just a basic power strip, and never ever daisy chain power strips together. That's a fire code violation waiting to happen. Always unplug appliances before you do any deep cleaning or maintenance on them. Water can be your appliance appliance's best friend or worst enemy, depending on how you handle it. Keep an eye out for any puddles under your fridge. That could mean a leaking water line or a clogged defrost drain, and if you ignore it, you're looking at serious floor and cabinet damage. Here's something that'll really extend your appliance's lives. Deal with your water quality. Hard water is brutal on anything that uses water. Those minerals build up inside your dishwasher, washing machine, water heater, all of it. They reduce efficiency and lead to early failure. A good water softener and filtration system can add years to your appliance's lives. Don't forget to flush your water heater annually too. Here's a hidden appliance killer: high water pressure. Anything above 80 psi destroys hoses, valves, and seals. To test this, buy a $10 pressure gauge from any hardware store and screw it onto your outdoor hose spigot. Turn on the water and check the reading. Your home should be between 70-80 psi. If it's higher, call a plumber to install a pressure regulator. It'll cost about $200 but save you thousands in appliance damage. Read your user manuals, people. I know nobody wants to do it, but they've got specific maintenance schedules and settings for your exact appliance. Following those guidelines prevents a lot of unnecessary damage, but here's the big one. Fix small problems before they become big problems. That little leak from your washing machine, that weird noise your dishwasher's making, your oven taking longer to preheat. These are warning signs. Don't ignore them. A simple gasket replacement can prevent major water damage. Cleaning a clogged dishwasher filter can save your motor. Here are some specific things to check. Test your refrigerator door seals monthly by closing a piece of paper in the door. If it slides out easily, the seal needs attention. Check your oven door seals annually and replace them if they're damaged. For electric stoves, pull each burner out of its socket and reattach it firmly a few times a year to ensure good contact. And after you run a wash cycle, leave your washing machine door open for about an hour to let air circulate and prevent mold. These little checks catch minor issues before they become major expensive repairs. When something breaks down, you've got to make the call: repair or replace. Here's the rule of thumb I use. If the repair costs more than half the price of a new unit, it's usually time to replace. Also consider the age. If it's over 10 years old, other parts are probably going to start failing soon. New models typically use 20 to 30% less energy, so even if the repair is cheap, a new energy efficient unit might save you more on utility bills. When you are shopping for new appliances, here's some insider advice. Skip the fancy tech features. More electronics means more things that can break. Read the reviews carefully, especially looking for mentions of how long things last. If people are complaining about ice makers dying after 18 months, that's a red flag. Do your research and ask repair techs which models they see the least in their shops. The specific model matters more than just the brand name. And seriously consider extended warranties. Appliances aren't built like they used to be, so that extra protection can save you big money down the road. There you have it. 7 ways to double your appliance's lifespan. Start with cleaning your refrigerator coils this weekend. It takes 10 minutes and can cut your energy bill immediately. Then check your water pressure and start unplugging small appliances. These simple steps will save you thousands in repairs and replacements over the next decade. Remember, a $20 maintenance task today prevents a $500 repair tomorrow. Try these tips out and see the difference they make. If you guys know someone who's having appliance troubles, please send them the link to this video or a link to my channel where I have tons of other videos showing how to fix pretty common issues with appliances, sometimes for free or as little cost as possible. It sure beats having a repairman come out and spending several hundred for them to fix it when it could be something so simple. If this helped you extend your appliances' lives, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Let me know which tip you're going to try first. Really helps other people with the same concerns. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We'll get this out to more folks who need to save some time and money. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.